Yo-ho! Hello guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Google Chrome tabs so they reopen exactly where you left off. No more losing your tabs after closing Chrome. Let's begin. First, open up your Google Chrome and click on the three little dots in the top right corner. Let me show you right now. Okay? So here, click on the three dots. Now head over to the settings section over here. Left click in the left panel, go and click on Startup. Then you just need to choose this option, continue where you left off. Okay? And that's it. Once you have selected this option, this tells Chrome to automatically reopen all of your tabs the next time you launch it. So you can now close Chrome, reopen it, and boom, all of your tabs are right back where you left them. Super handy and super convenient. I hope you found this video very helpful.